How easy is it to lay sod and get it to grow? It's not hard at all. Now, if you get your Bermuda late in the season like I did, it's going to be brown, but don't worry. Go ahead and roll that where you want it, water it down really, really deeply, and then you're going to walk across it to get any air bubbles out and try and get it as level as you can to the sod that's right near it. Then go ahead and water it down again. Now, this is a low spot in my lawn, so I didn't have to dig down, but if you have a patch that needs to be replaced that's not a low spot, you might have to dig down a little bit so that the sod seams are even, but I didn't have to worry about that right here. So here's just a progression. You're going to water 4 times a day. Do your deep watering first thing in the morning, and then the other 3 can be just a little bit lighter. You just want to keep that, I was going to say the word moist, but I really despise that word, but yes, you want to keep it moist. So this is over 14 days. On day 14, you can go ahead and mow it on the highest setting on your mower, and then you can go ahead and go to 1 watering a day for the next 2 weeks. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.